Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really fun, and this is a video that you guys have been requesting from me quite a bit and I haven't gotten to it yet, and today is the day we're doing it. Okay, so I've done a bunch of tutorials on extensions and clip-ins, but today we are doing the BellaMi It's a Wrap ponytail extension today. So this is just one extension. This is a ponytail and it goes over your real hair. I'm going to show you guys how I apply it. It literally is going to take me like 5 minutes, but so you guys know, this BellaMi wrap ponytail is 20 inches and it is in the color Butter Blonde, which is the same color that I use in the regular clip-in hair extensions. I've worn this a couple times, so this one is in my box, but usually it'll come packaged, wrapped up in this stuff like this, so you can see. So my recommendation for the ponytail is to do this on a day where you have like dirty hair and you don't feel like washing it and blowing it out. This is something that I do if I'm like lazy and I just don't want to wash my hair. It's easy and it gives you volume at the top of your head. So I'm going to show you guys today, and then afterwards I have a code with BellaMi, so you guys can use the code for a percentage off any BellaMi product. So first, I'm just taking my hair out of its bun, its messy bun, and obviously it's a little bit greasy right now. This is from yesterday's photo shoot, so it's kind of messy. But basically, I'm just going to brush out the hair as normal, kind of brush it backwards so it's kind of forming for the ponytail in a way that it's easier for you to put it up. Brush the back, make sure you really brush it out. And then you're going to be taking a regular hair tie. I like to use a brown or nude color just so that it blends in with your hair easily. So I'm going to put it up in a ponytail, and you want to make sure that you get it exactly where you want it. For example, I'm pulling it up a little bit higher so you guys can see. And then I'm gonna take my brush, because it does get a little bit difficult. You wanna form your ponytail exactly how you want it. So I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna leave that middle poof part and just brush the sides up. Obviously, when your hair is greasy, it's a lot easier to get these high ponytails. So I'm gonna make sure that I get it where I want. If you want, you can even use like a brush like this to pull out your ponytail parts that are not poofy enough. So I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna raise it up to where I want it. And then you could also do that afterwards. So I'm forming my ponytail, I'm putting it up, I'm wrapping it tight, like so. I wrap it a few times because you wanna make sure that the ponytail is tight so that it doesn't weigh down, and then just pull the ponytail really tight. So you can see here that I have bumps and stuff. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to fix those with that brush that I was telling you guys about. This is called the Hair Shark brush. I love this brush. It has a teasing side and then a like detangling side, and then it also has like this pointy tip. So you're going to keep pulling up here, and then obviously you're going to, I'm sorry, I'm just focusing a lot here. You know, I'm not happy with this ponytail. I'm gonna redo it, hold on. Okay, sorry, I was being a perfectionist, so now you can see it's nice and straight here. It depends on how you like things, but if you wanted to, you could keep it really tight. Excuse me. Whew, you can keep it really tight and you can hairspray it and make sure that everything is perfect, or you can kind of make it a messier ponytail, and I'm gonna do that today, and I'm gonna pull down some of these hairs so that we have more of a messy look, which I prefer. So I'm gonna pull down some of these hairs. You can even do one like in the front, you know, just to give you more of a relaxed, sexy look, just like that. And make sure that you have that so you can see they're just little additions, especially if you're blonde and you have those light pieces. It's always good to bring them down. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my BellaMi ponytail out of the box. One sec. And she looks like this. You see how well she matches? She matches well. So we are going to brush her out. I love how I'm referring to the extension as a her. I'm gonna brush her out very nicely with my wet brush. See how pretty? Nice and voluminous, beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. So the ponytail, this is the back side. This is the side that we'll be showing. The ponytail has a little 3-prong like grip, I guess, right here. This is where you're going to insert the, you're going to insert this into the hair tie. So you want to get it underneath the hair tie so that way when you're dancing or going out, this doesn't fall out. Then as a second security blanket, we have this piece, which will be wrapped around the ponytail like this. And it will kind of hide the extension. I'll show you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take those 3 prongs, make sure to hold it from behind like this, and insert those 3 prongs. Let me zoom for you guys. Insert those 3 prongs into your ponytail, like so. Make sure you feel it. So you see how I'm locked in right there? You wanna make sure you feel that it's locked in. So now that I'm locked in, I'm going to take that additional piece that I was talking about, and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail, making sure that it velcros in. Wrap it around. This is so easy, guys, and such a great look when you don't feel like washing your hair. So you see how I wrapped it and it completely hid the extension perfectly. Take a look at that. I know you can see, oh, no you can't. I know you can see it, and it's just seriously like the perfect way to hide that extension. All right, so next up, obviously it's in and secured, but I'm kind of a psychopath and I wanna make sure that the extension is fully secured. So I'm going to take a bobby pin and I'm gonna insert the bobby pin behind the ponytail wrap because I wanna make sure that it's totally in there and we don't have any issues when I'm out dancing like a crazy person. You wanna make sure that it's secure. So I just inserted the bobby pin and I'll probably do about 2 of them so that it's really in there. And you just wanna make sure to hide the bobby pins obviously and make sure you get them in there. Voila. All right, so now that she's in, we're going to just take the brush and blend it out, making sure, see I have a little piece showing here, making sure that we're blending the ponytail. And I have a longer ponytail now. And you can literally style this as you want. You can curl it. They also have different lengths too. Like I said, this was the 20 inches. And then on the back of the box, even though you're watching my video because you love watching my tutorials, they have an actual tutorial for you on the back of the BellaMi box, which makes it a lot easier for you to like get to know how to do it. At first I was so bad at it and I couldn't figure it out, but just as regular hair extensions I figured out how to style it. So I'm just gonna do a little wraparound and show you guys. So this is what it looks like from behind. Just a pretty blonde 20-inch extension. And then I sometimes go in and I'll curl it or I'll straighten it. You can style any of their extensions as you want to. And then remember to make sure that if you want to drop those pieces, to drop your pieces too, because it's super cute. So yeah, guys, it was really easy. And also ponytails are amazing because you get to show your earrings, you get to wear like a cool outfit. It's just something different than wearing my hair down all the time. I get so bored, so it's a nice little change. All right guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. A lot of you guys in the comments were asking me to do it. I'm glad I finally got around to it. If you have any questions in the comments below, please feel free to ask me. I'm always answering, always checking my questions and comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I made it easy for you guys. You can literally click the box at the bottom of my video and click subscribe. Super easy. If you guys want the code for these or any any of BellaMi's products, my code is Alexa Collins, one word, capital A and capital C. I'll put it down below for you guys as well, so you can shop any of their items. But honestly, best extensions, best hair products, pretty much what I use every day. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.